Hello, Sonia. Hello, nurse. Well, I've come for our regular appointments to check on your husband's progress. So, how have you been managing since my last visit? Well, I have recently had to go back to work as a marketing manager nurse. So, it's so I've been balancing between being a carer and working full time. It's been very difficult. Uh huh. It's a really hard, nurse. I do put a fridge and a microwave in the bedroom for my husband so that he can reach and get anything that he needs from there and doesn't have to walk. But I don't know if it's enough. I've also been leaving meals out every day, but I'm just worried that it's not enough again. Like, I don't know. I don't want to feel bad about it. Well, I understand where you're coming from, Sonia, but I want to reassure you that you're doing everything you can and it's definitely enough. I imagine being a carer and working full time must be very difficult for you to manage. So please don't be hard on yourself, alright? Yeah, nurse. Alright. Now, can I examine your husband? Sure, nurse. All right. So I've examined your husband. Now, while you're managing everything well, Sonia, it is crucial that your husband now has constant monitoring and round the clock assistant. Do you think that's possible? Well, I don't know, nurse. I do actually sort of know. I mean, I have known for a while that my husband would definitely need more round the clock support, but I was kind of hoping that it would not be so soon. I have no idea what I'm going to do now, nurse. I mean, I have to be here, but also at work. I don't know what to do, nurse. Well, I understand your concern, Sonia. If I were in your place, surely I would also find it difficult too. There are a few things that can be done, but before I discuss those with you, I would like to know if you would be willing to become a full time carer again. Would that be feasible for you, Sonia? Um, Not at all, nurse. I can't go back to being a full-time carer. I can't afford to stop working again. I have to pay the rent and the bills. Nurse, it's just not possible for me to do that. Right. Well, I understand what you're saying, Sonia. In that case, I believe it would be a good idea for your husband to be shifted to a nursing home since he will get round the clock assistance there. How does that sound? Well, I'm not sure about my husband, nurse, but I do think a nursing home would actually probably be a good idea for him. Though, like I said, nurse, I'm not sure if my husband would agree to it, shifting to a nursing home. Well, I understand that you will need to discuss this with your partner first, but I do believe that your husband would find it beneficial since most of the staff at the nursing home is well experienced in their responsibilities. And like I said earlier, Sonia, your husband would have round the clock expert care, which is what he requires at the moment. Now, do you have any other concerns that I can address for you at the moment? Well, yeah, nurse, actually. If I do decide on the matter of the nursing home, which I think is a good idea, I have no way of actually finding an appropriate nursing home, so I don't really have much information about that, nurse. Well, try not to worry, Sonia. I'll help you out with that. See, I can give you some suggestions for nursing homes, but in order to find the one which is most appropriate for your husband's care, I think it would be a good idea for you to make a list of requirements that he has and then visit the nursing homes to see if they fit or fulfill those requirements. Talking to the staff and residents of the nursing home will also be quite helpful. What do you think? Oh, that's a great idea, nurse. I think I'll talk to my husband regarding these suggestions and see what he needs. And thank you so much, nurse. Well, I'm glad I could be of help, Sonia. Would you like to ask me anything else? Well, no, nurse. I think you've answered all of my questions. I'm glad to hear that, Sonia.